Okay, so again, my name's Becky and this is Destiny. Sorry, we're kind of trying to figure this out. And I have been a volunteer in Uinta County for a long time, and I've done Dog Skill-a-thon for several years. And like Dawn said, Destiny's a senior. She's done Dog Skill-a-thon for 3 or 4 years now. We really like Dog Skill-a-thon because it's a really, really fun contest. And for some of you, I don't know, you guys look mostly like juniors, intermediates, but seniors, you don't have to give reasons in Dog Skill-a-thon. So sometimes that's a big draw for kids to do it. We're going to start a Kahoot. And the way we want to run the Kahoot today is I'm going to just start it in, that's actually not what I want to do. Let me, oh, go away, screen. Sorry, you guys, give me just another second. Dest, why don't you maybe tell them a little bit about Dog Skill-a-thon?
So basically, it's a bunch of different contests. There's a Jeopardy part, and then there's usually a skills part, I think it's called, where you go in and like, you can do either equipment, you can do, well, they have it like set up, so it's just different things. It could be either equipment, how to properly wash dogs, how to pick up dogs, how to trim nails. It's just really fun. I like it.
Okay, so we're gonna just try it this way. You guys, we're gonna host it live because it's just easier. I'm gonna do classic mode.
It's loading.
I know, it's loading now. If you want to, here's the game pin. And you can log on your own device. I'm gonna give you just a couple of minutes to see if kids wanna get logged in. If not, we're gonna play it just live. And in that, if you have, now I found my chat. And I'm gonna drink my Diet Coke. Okay, let me know if you're still trying to log on or if you just want to play live on the computer.
I'm trying to log in.
Sometimes Kahoot is a little testy. It does look black. Yeah, sometimes it does get a little bit laggy. Batgirl joined us. Woohoo! Is that everybody? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start it so that way we can get through it since we really only have half hour. And then, so if you didn't get logged in, just play along with this. And I know it's saying it's like showing it's kicking people out, but it's not. Okay. So a Cocker Spaniel, what group does that one belong in?
What are the different groups?
So you could, there's sporting, non-sporting, working, herding, toy, sporting. Good job. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next. And I kind of cheated, I didn't tell you, we're only working on 3 groups today, and I didn't really tell you which groups we were working on. So let's try our next one. A Dalmatian. Are they working, non-sporting, terrier, or sporting? Now I have a Dalmatian. Oh, okay, we have a working. Okay, Dalmatians are non-sporting, honestly, and you would think that working is a really good choice because we all think of Dalmatians as kind of, lots of people think of them as like the firehouse dog or they're working, but really Dalmatians' job is really just to be pretty. That's kind of their job. I have a Dalmatian and I'm here to tell you her job is just to be pretty. Okay, boxer, what group are we in? Are we non-sporting, working, toy, or herding?
Working.
Okay. Okay, working is correct on that one. Boxers, they work and they're strong, they're tough dogs. Okay, good job. Okay, Chinese Shar-Pei. Are they hound, sporting, non-sporting, or working?
Non-sporting.
How you doing? Non-sporting, good job. Okay. German short-haired pointer. Toy, working, hound, or sporting? We're waiting for one person to answer. Destiny's trying to see if she can beat you guys. Sporting, good job.
Don't get discouraged if you don't know everyone.
Okay, German short-haired pointers, yep, they're sporting. They are hunting dogs for sure. Okay, Alaskan Malamute. Are they working, sporting, non-sporting, or herding?
Sporting.
They are actually working dogs. They are big, strong, working dogs. Okay, good job. Oh, Destiny just took the lead. Okay, Irish setter. Are they toy, sporting, working, or non-sporting?
I think I got this one wrong.
Sporting.
Sporting, correct. Good job. They're also kind of hunting dogs.
I just lost my first place.
Oh, Saint Bernard. Are they working, toy, sporting, or herding?
Oh. Do you think Gail and Donna would pay me to put up their house?
Sporting.
I don't know, because Jeff will be home for the summer. So I don't know.
Oh, wait a minute.
They're working.
Okay, working. They are big, strong dogs, and they are used for working. Okay, golden retriever. Are they herding, sporting, working, or hound?
Sporting.
Okay, sporting, good job. Oh, sorry, I should have let that see who's winning. We'll see who wins at the end. Hey, this one's a hard one. Poodle. Is it sporting, working, non-sporting, or toy?
Non-sporting.
This music's really good.
Cameron, come in here.
Okay, I actually tricked you a little bit on that one. There were two answers. Now remember, a poodle can be non-sporting, but they're also a toy. It can be in two different groups. So in the contest, sometimes you have to look at the picture and see, is it a standard size poodle or is it a little tiny poodle? So that one was kind of tricky.
And the ones I've been to with the poodle, it's always been the standard.
Okay.
It's never been in the toy.
Great Dane. Is it sporting, non-sporting, hound, or working?
Working. Go there.
Okay, working. Again, Great Danes are big. We wouldn't think of them as working dogs, but they are in the working group. All right. Chow-chow. Non-sporting, sporting, working, or herding?
Sporting. Sporting.
I heard two sportings. They're actually non-sporting. Kind of, again, their job is just kind of to be pretty. Okay, a Brittany.
Maybe because we joined.
Is it non-sporting, sporting, working, or herding? Or hound, sorry.
Working. Working.
Working.
Okay, I have two workings. Okay, they're actually sporting dog. They really are more of a hunter. Oh, Shannon, you've been coming up. Took the lead. Okay, French Bulldog. Are they toy, hound, non-sporting, or working?
Working. Toy.
Toy. Okay. Okay, they're actually a non-sporting. Again,
Hey, Becky,
it's
what's your
one-
password?
one of those that's kind of tricky because it's a smaller dog.
Your phone. I'm
We
gonna
would
send
think it
myself
would
So
go
that's
to
how we
sleep,
talk.
but it really, its job really is, again,
Your
just
brothers don't
no.
know.
Okay.
So Becky, there's
Yes.
somebody that's wanting the password. Is there a password?
The game pin,
Yes.
it is 1745824.
1745.
824.
Okay, guys, I
On the
put the
bottom
game
left
pin in the
corner.
chat box.
Pyrenees working.
Sorry, Becky.
Are
Go ahead.
hurting.
Great Pyrenees, working, hurting, non-sporting.
Hurting.
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 I'm hearing lots of hurtings.
Spell it. Hurting. I did H-E-R-D.
Hurting's a really good choice because that's what they do, but they fall under the working category.
I didn't do anything. You were supposed
Okay,
to help.
non-sporting. Which one of those is in the non-sporting? Is it a Saint Bernard, a Dalmatian, Irish Setter, or Boxer?
Boxer.
Boxer.
Boxer. Boxer. Dalmatian.
Kind of already.
Dalmatian.
That's okay. Just like on iPhone.
It is Dalmatian. Remember, it's their job just to be pretty. That's kind of what I teach my kids when I'm here. A lot of the times on non-sporting, we really look at them as they really don't have a purpose. They're not a hunter. They're not a herding dog.
Is that for
They're
me?
really just pretty. And like I said, my Dalmatian, her job is just to be pretty. Okay, poodles are in more than one group. True or false?
True. True.
Good job. Absolutely true. Best you're losing.
I know.
Great Pyrenees are used with chickens. True or false? False. Anybody know which breed of animal that Great Pyrenees usually are around?
Sheep. Cattle.
Sheep, cattle, bigger animals, right?
Sheep.
Sheep, lots of times with sheep. Okay, another true or false. Dalmatians are herding dogs. True or false?
False.
False.
False. Bet you can't tell. One of my favorite dogs is a Dalmatian.
It's not giving us long enough to put our answers in.
Okay, the Chow-chow breed has a black tongue. These ones do go a little bit faster, the true and false.
False.
True. Okay, let's see who won. In third place, Hannah. Second place, Tennis. Shannon, good job. Oh, you came in fourth. She helped me pick all the breeds and she still came in fourth. Okay, let me get out of here. Now, how do I unshare my screen?